The Fantasy FUT promo is on the way, so I'm going to show you guys how you can invest for this promo and even trade during it. So if you guys enjoy this video, do me a favor and smack the like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's see if we can get 50 likes. So tip number 1 is going to be League SBC investing, specifically silver players. When you have repeatable SBCs out like an 81 plus player pick and an 82 to 88 upgrade, people take their golds, which typically gold cards end up being top 5 leagues, and they end up putting them into these packs instead of the League SBCs. So what that does is it crashes the price of silver cards. Specifically in the Prem, we see a huge drop off. Currently on PlayStation, these are going for around 1700 that you can snipe them at and win them on bid for less. Typically, you can see these go back up around 2500 or so, typically in the range of 23 to 25, I would say personally, is what I expect them to get to. If you think that's a good amount of coins per card, you're getting at least 500 per card. Feel free to pick these up, get a bunch of them, go super unlisted, store one of each in your club. Whatever your case may be, this is a good investment to pick up. But you're probably wondering, how do I know these are going to go back up? So every promo, typically when it starts, you see the repeatable SBCs go away. The certain amount of time they have left, this seems to be the case again. You're going to have no repeatables for people to do player picks with. That means when people want to try to pack these new promo cards, they're going to be flooding the market to try to get these promo packs in the store. When they run out of FIFA points or run out of coins or whatever they try to do to make these packs, they typically go running to the League SBCs with all their golds. But what they're lacking is the silvers, which they are willing to pay for. Overpriced, that is. Let me show you some other ways that silvers from League SBCs really pay off as an investment. So right now I'm using the championship. We're going to 200 by now, but you could do this with any League SBC that's not a top 5 league, whether you wanted to do MLS, whether you wanted to do Liga MX, whether you wanted to do Saudi, up to you. You're going to go to silver and check the market. So everything right now is selling for 200 within the hour. I know if I bid 150 right now, it's not going to be many coins if we sell for 200, but we're guaranteeing ourselves profit. So what we can do is we know prices can never get lower than 150. We know people are going to be doing League SBCs. If we bid 150 on these dudes right now, and these prices happen to go from a 200 buy now to a 300 buy now, by the time the promo starts, essentially you're doubling your coins on every card. Now here's the thing, even though the buy now on the market is currently 200 coins, that doesn't mean every card happens to be that way. This guy right here, we can compare price on. See, his lowest buy now within the hour looks to be around 350 to 400 coins. So if I were to bid 100 on or 150 on him right now, theoretically we could double our coins on him instantly. However, one of the things to keep in mind is you can treat this as a trading tip and an investment at the same time. What I like to do is bid on tons in a row, knowing that we're picking them up less than the buy now, no matter how much profit you might be able to get at the moment. Store the ones we don't have in our club and sell the duplicates for profit. This way we're able to get a bunch of investments in our club. We're able to make some coins back in the meantime. Even though it might not be a lot per card, you're still working towards gaining more coins that you can then put into other investments. The next investing tip, guys, is going to be bronze rares and silver rares. Now, I'm going to go down the line of thinking of League SBCs again. We're going to use the championship as the example. This team requires 3 rare players. This team requires 3 rare players, and this team, the final one, requires 5 rare players. So we know as people start doing League SBCs again, these players should shoot up in price as people keep doing them. So what we're going to do is check what the price of bronze rares currently is. Looks like everything is selling for 200 within the hour. Good. We know that everything we bid 150 on, we're able to make profit on. So we're going to go in. We're going to mass bid again. We're going to be flipping our duplicates for profit, no matter how much it's currently going for. If it's going for 200, sweet, we get a less than 50 coins after tax. If it's going for 300, sweet, we double our coins. Doing this, we're going to be able to stock our club and be ready to do the SBC ourselves. If you don't like doing League SBCs, again, when people go to buy these cards, they're going to be extremely overpriced versus what they are now. You can sell at that premium. Same thing with silver rares. These have been mudded lately. If we go to a 300 buy now, you're going to see things sell, but it might take the full hour. Looks like strikers are a little harder to sell than other positions. What we're going to do with that knowledge is we are going to bid 250 on as many things as we can, We probably don't want to do strikers. So let's do everything first, see what we can bid on. And if you want to compare price beforehand to see if something's a good pickup, feel free to do that. This card looks like we might be able to list for 400 coins, get 150 off of it, no problem. I'm just going to go through and I'm going to blindly bid 250 because I know, again, most of these cards will sell for at least 300 within the hour now, but my main goal is investing in these so when they go up in price later, we can benefit from all that profit. So you can do this with the championship, you can do this with the MLS. Again, I would look towards all these smaller league SBCs. If you want to do the bigger ones from the top 5 leagues, you can. However, those cards typically hold more value anyways. It might be harder to pick them up on bid for less prices. I would stick more to the prem method we did before with silvers, where you try to snipe them off the market, knowing kind of their price point, and having an understanding of what they're going to get to. Now, this is a common question I get all the time. I have over personally 10 million coins. A lot of you guys might have over 1 million coins yourself. You might be asking yourself, Mumbo, is it worth it to really be bidding on bronzes and silvers, even though I might not do league SBCs? Let me explain it to you this way. A lot of these cards will typically double in price. When you're bidding 150, it's very common if the buy now is already 200 to 250, the cards to go to 300 plus. A lot of these that are 250 bids for the rare silvers might go to 500 plus. If you're able to put, let's say, 100,000 coins into these type of cards, that is not too much to actually do, and the profit ends up coming back quickly. You put 100K in, you double your coins, you're getting 200K back. You put 200K in, you double your coins, you're getting 400K back. Doing this every single time you have a promo, in and out throughout the week, will make you a ton of coins over time, and it's very simple to do and most people overlook. The next tip is going to be common gold trading and investing. Now, this typically goes hand in hand with the repeatable SBCs. When the repeatable SBCs are gone, these tend to drop in price. If I go to gold common, everything is selling within the hour for 400 right now. These were 600 earlier in the week, which means they're starting to drop back down, which means we want to start investing. So if we know no matter what, these are going for 400 within the moment, if I bid 300 to 350 on any of these cards, we're guaranteed profit at this time. However, we don't want to settle for that profit. We want to pick these up for cheap. We want to store them in our club. We want to sell them when we get the next set of repeatable SBCs, which will most likely be that Monday following when the promo begins. Hopefully we get a player pick or something, and if it's good, you can use common golds. These should shoot up in price. This 81 plus player pick that we had by the time I'm recording this video shot a lot of these cards up to about 600 by now. Just to give you perspective, if you're bidding 300, that's doubling your coins. If you're bidding 350, you're still getting about 250 coins per card before EA tax. That's not bad, especially if you can pick up hundreds of these. Hopefully these tips can be helpful for you guys investing for this promo and trading throughout. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm going to link a trading playlist in the description of this video, along with my Discord. You can take a look at the trading playlist. We have over 110 videos in there if you guys need ideas on how to trade. And I'm going to leave the Discord as well. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's free. We go over league SBCs, trading tips, just hang out, have a good time in there. So if you want to be a part of that community, that is awesome. Feel free to join. We are live every single day on this channel. And if you guys are new, again, subscribe, hit that like button if you did enjoy. We'll catch you next time. It's been your boy MumboElite. I'm out. God bless.